St. James Apartments, LLC versus Coinmach Corporation, Civil Action Number 10-6778, United States District Court, July 13, 2011. Substantive facts. This case arises out of a dispute regarding the execution and validity of a certain lease agreement between plaintiffs, St. James Apartments, and defendant, Coinmach Corporation. Plaintiffs assert that the federal jurisdiction under 28 U.S.C. 1332 exists based upon their allegation that plaintiffs and defendants are citizens of different states, Florida for plaintiffs and New Jersey and Delaware for the defendant, and the total amount in controversy exceeds $75,000. Defendant does not contest to be a citizen of Delaware and New Jersey or that the amount in controversy exceeds $75,000. Coinmach, the defendant, sought dismissal of a diversity suit on the grounds that the parties were not totally diverse. They alleged that they had citizenship in both New Jersey and Delaware and argued that the plaintiffs were also citizens of New Jersey despite their claims of citizenship in Florida. If this were true, the federal court would have to dismiss this cause due to the lack of subject matter jurisdiction. In response to defendant's present motion, plaintiff argues that he is a domiciliary of Florida and thus that diversity jurisdiction is appropriate. Procedural facts. This action is brought by plaintiffs seeking a declaratory judgment pursuant to 28 U.S.C. 2201 that certain disputed lease agreements are not legally binding and or otherwise unenforceable. On February 1, 2011, defendant moved to dismiss plaintiff's complaint. On July 13, 2011, the court denied the defendant's motion to dismiss. On July 16, 2012, defendant moved for summary judgment. The court held an oral argument and denied the motion for summary judgment on October 25, 2012. On April 2, 2013, a bench trial commenced during which 4 witnesses testified. Following the trial on May 10, 2013, the parties each submitted amended proposed findings of fact and conclusions of law. Issue. Does the plaintiff, James Knuckle, hold the rights to say Florida is his state of residency even though he has filed as a New Jersey business address in order to register his business in New Jersey? Holding. The court concludes that plaintiffs have carried the factors of domicile of Florida state and therefore is a Florida citizen. Knuckle is the sole managing property of the 3 plaintiffs. Defendant's motion to dismiss the complaint for lack of subject matter jurisdiction is denied and appropriate. The rule. U.S. Code 28 U.S.C. 1332 states the district court shall have original jurisdiction of all actions where the matter in controversy exceeds the sum or value of $75,000 exclusive of interest and costs and is between citizens of different states or citizens of a state and citizens or subject of a different state. Because the plaintiff's primary residence is in Florida, his children attend school in Florida, his vehicle is registered in Florida, and he's registered to vote in Florida and will be filing his income taxes as a Florida resident, gave diversity jurisdiction and the courts had subject matter jurisdiction.